Hi! In this video I am going to show you how I made the redesign of the sonic shotgun sounds from the movie Minority Report. I was trying to be similar to the original sound design, but as this is my interpretation, it's not completely the same. Let's see and hear the scene I was working on. So first of all, let's cut the sound into pieces. We have the charging sound, which is a high rising sound. We have the reload sound, which is appearing while spinning the gun around. Then the shot sound, the sonic wave, and the tail. I was working in Logic Pro X and trying to use as much as this doll can give me. So some things are made here with built-in instruments. I have also recorded some tools I had nearby. And the last thing was samples, such as shot sound, reloading a shotgun, etc. So let's go to the Logic project. First, the charging sound. I was using the sculpture synth, trying to achieve something between the basic sine and a string. Then some pitching, and here we are. Next, the reload. It's basically made from some tools samples and recordings I've made. The main thing was to have clicky and massive sound of spinning gun. There is also a shotgun reload sample just to make it more realistic. Now the shot. Made of a kick drum sample, a sniper rifle sound and attacker recorded by me. The kick sample is filled by some plugins like EQ, compressor, overdrive, flanger, etc. to make it unreal and punchy as a base of a shot sound. Shotgun is making it more real, even if it's modified a bit. And the last thing, attacker, which I've used to have a trigger sound. I've missed it in the original. Then we have the sonic wave and the tail. I've used the EFM1 synth and made something similar to the original, because I really liked it in the movie. And this sound really matches what we see here. I've put some distortion, phasers and other stuff to make it sound properly. Last thing, the tail, which I see as a whooshy sound that comes after the shot. It's like the tail of a sonic wave or something. Now let's hear my sounds all together. And again the original. Now with some Foley, ambience and reverb to match the scenery. Feel free to tell me what you think about it in comments. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you in the other videos. Thanks!